You're watching Vacation Minute by ExplorerVacations. Tonight we trade the hustle of the day for the enchantment of the night as we walk the glowing, historic heart of San Miguel de Allende, Mexico. This UNESCO World Heritage City, nestled in the central highlands of Guanajuato, truly comes alive when the sun sets, cloaked in a magical, almost timeless glow. Our journey begins, as all good journeys here must, at the Parroquia de San Miguel Arcangel. Look up at its stunning pink limestone towers. They might look medieval, but this famous facade was actually designed in the 19th century by master stone mason Zeferino Gutierrez, who supposedly based his vision on European postcards. Before that, a much simpler, more traditional Franciscan church stood here. This central plaza, El Jardín Principal, has been the social heartbeat of San Miguel for centuries, a place for evening strolls, lively chatter, and historically, a front-row seat to the city's dramatic past. As we move away from the main square and deeper into the colonial labyrinth, imagine the echoes of revolution. San Miguel, originally named San Miguel el Grande, played a crucial role in Mexico's fight for independence. It was the birthplace of Ignacio Allende, a key figure in the struggle against Spanish rule. In fact, after Mexico achieved independence, the city was renamed in his honor. Walking these very cobblestones, you are treading the path of history, a history of art, wealth, and rebellion, all preserved under the soft yellow light of the gas lamps. Beyond the grand architecture, San Miguel de Allende is a haven for artists and expatriates, a blend that infuses its nightly atmosphere with unique, cosmopolitan flavor. Take a moment to appreciate the details, the intricate ironwork on the balconies, the hand-painted ceramics spilling out of the shops. The city has fostered a vibrant, creative community for decades, drawn here by its light and its soul. Even at night, the spirit of Mexican craftsmanship is on display, turning every corner into a gallery. From revolutionary headquarters to a beacon of art and culture, San Miguel de Allende at night is a breathtaking journey through time. It is a city that invites you to slow down, listen to the stories whispered by its walls, and simply soak in the ambiance. For travel ideas about Mexico and beyond, please visit our website, ExplorerVacations.com, to see all of the exciting vacation options we have for you.